Hey guys, gals, I'm going to do a quick little break. Another box of 2017 Elite Extra Edition Baseball. There's just 11 cards in the box, but 5 of those are hits. There are a couple of really good prospects you can get in here, and the base cards are numbered out of $9.99. So everything in here is numbered, and you can get 1-of-1s, you can get some sweet patches. At the price point that this box is at, to me, it's a really good value. Other people may disagree. I don't know. I don't like the boxes that only have 11 cards. To me, that kind of stinks. This is the bonus hit, they call it. But at the same time, at the price this is, I mean, I don't like this if this is a $100 box, but, you know, at the price range lower, I'm okay with that. Alright, Evan White to $9.99. Is this Robert? Oh, dang, I was hoping that was an autograph. Still a good prospect. Parallel to 200. Mike Baumann autograph. I love these plain on-card autographs. You'd say I should like the other ones better, but something about this silver looks really good. Austin Voss, dual relic to $149. And Connor Wong to $9.99. Pack 2, Will Gaddis. Oh man, I got Panini pointed. Adrian Hernandez to 200. Dylan Peters, dual relic to $2.99. Edwin Laura, and the quote-unquote bonus hit. Feels like it's an auto, maybe. Nah. This jersey. Really thin for a jersey. Yadier Alvarez and Tim LaCastro to $2.99. So, wah, just a base autograph. Couple little jerseys and some stinking points. Alright, guys. That's Elite Extra Edition for ya. I think I've got some more of this coming in. I think I got it on sale. I can't remember. I bought so much stuff lately. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care. I'll be back.